Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The Moondrop has launched its new MIAD 01 smartphone. First talk about the price. The price will be slightly higher. It will be 345 United States dollars. The Moondrop MIAD 01 has a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt USB PD charging. The Moondrop MIAD 01 has a 12 GB of RAM and storage will be 256. And there is a micro SD card to expand up to 2 TB memory. There is a dual headphone jacks with a 44 balance and a 3.5 single-ended output. The phone measures 9.15 at thickness and weight is 202 grams. Now talk about the display. The display screen size 6.7 inches and OLED touch screen display. 1080 pixel resolution with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 90-120 Hz PWM dimming. The smartphone will run on Android operating system. The smartphone will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset. This is the mid-range chipset and with an octa-core CPU and GPU of ARM Mali G68MC4. The smartphone will be a dual camera setup on the back. There will be 64 megapixel main sensor for best camera experience. On the front, there is a 32 megapixel selfie camera to take selfies. The audio circuit features a 6-layer gold syncing and an independent LDO power supply and the Moondrop Audio Center app with DSP functionality. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks.